Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to use Google Find My Device to track your lost phone. So if you also want to use Google Find My Device to track your lost phone, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So if you've lost your phone, you do not need to worry. You can easily use Google Find My Device in order to track your lost phone. For that, first of all, what you have to do is launch upon Google Chrome. You can see over here, I've already opened it. Make sure you're logged into the Google account, that you're logged into your another device that is lost. If you're not logged into your account, make sure to log into your account. If you're logged into your account, simply click on the search bar that you can see at the top. Now what you have to do is type in google.com/android/find. Now simply press enter. Now after that, you can see over here you'll be led to the official website of Google Find My Device. Over here you'll be able to see the devices. If you're logged into your Google account on multiple devices, you'll be able to see all the devices over here. What you have to do is look at the device that you want to find. Over here you'll also be able to see the battery percentage. Also you'll be able to see the Wi-Fi that they're connected into. Over here on the map you'll be able to see the location of your device. If you want to play the sound on your device, simply click on the option play sound. After that, your device will ring for 5 minutes. If you want to secure your device, simply click on the option secure device. After that, you'll be able to secure your device. Also, if you want to factory reset your device, simply click on the option factory reset your device. After that, you'll be able to factory reset your device. You can do all of this for the security purpose. So like this, you'll be able to find your lost device. So that is how you use Google Find My Device to track your lost phone. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.